Hello and welcome in this tutorial. In this session, we are going to create a WAR file from a Maven-based web project inside IntelliJ IDEA. So guys, in the first step, you have to watch my first tutorial how to create a Maven-based web project in IntelliJ IDEA. And this is the link and the same link given in the description box. So you guys please watch that first and just come back and start from here, step 2. In the step 2, I will explain you how to create a WAR file. So guys, let me take you inside the IntelliJ IDEA. This is the IntelliJ IDEA community version, and here on the left hand side you can see this is the Maven based web project which is already set up. We have created this project in the tutorial part 1. As you can see, we have the web XML and index.jsp. On the right hand side here in the editor window, pom.xml file is open. Now if this was a normal project, then you can simply go to the build option and do it, but this is a Maven based project, so go to the right hand side, click here on this Maven tab, and this slide window will appear and you will see your project name. Okay, and just below this you have the life cycle of your project, like clean, validate, compile, test, package, verify, install. To create a WAR file, you need to ensure you have this tag. This is the packaging tag in your pom.xml. Then you can simply select this double package and do a double click on it, and then you will find that activities are started. And on the left hand side here you can see a progress bar is running, which is packaging your web application, this Maven based web application, to a WAR file. Process is still going on. I think it's completed. When you scroll down here in the terminal, and you will find this message, build success. Just before the build success you will see the path of the WAR file. So this is the target folder which is present inside your project. So come here at this place, expand this target folder, you will find your WAR file at this place. So guys, congratulations, you have successfully created your WAR file for your Maven based web project in this IDE. And guys, I hope to see you there in my next tutorial, where I will show you how to integrate the Tomcat and then how to deploy this WAR file inside the Tomcat. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.